Imagine turning everyday foot traffic into valuable data for retail stores, gyms, or restaurant owners with a simple door sensor. However, this is no ordinary sensor. Let me introduce you to the crypto project Dor. All right, so here we have it, the Dor Depin crypto miner. It actually is the digital traffic monitor. They call these the DTMs. They actually have the image on the outside here. Peel, stick, and count at the bottom. Other than that, nothing else too crazy. I mean, look at that. They even have a little cartoon on the bottom here. Shows a character putting it above a door, people walking in and out of the door, and look at that. You get the data right on the app and earn some crypto. Other than that, nothing else on this side, and just the Dor name on this side. So simple and easy. So let's get our fancy smancy knife here. Open this up. Let's see what we have inside. Some padding. We have a activation card, Dor open, activate, and install. Please visit getdor.com/DTM, that was that digital traffic monitor-app, to download the companion app for instructions. That's nice. That works out really, really well. Okay, so what do we have here in the box? So the first thing that sticks out is the actual sensor itself. And it's actually a lot smaller than I thought. I like that it has this clean look to it, which no one's going to complain about it being over their door. I mean, literally, it's going to stick right above the door. We have, flipping it over, let's go this way. Here's our sensors that you can see within here. That's pretty slick. And then on the back side here is actually everything for our mounting. So you can there's actually mounting holes on here if you do want to end up kind of screwing this in. But for me, is this a bracket? Does this come off? Oh, it does. Nice. Okay. So let's see here. Is that magnetized? Oh, that is. That's nice. Okay. So here is actually the bracket. These are actually magnets that actually stick to it. Now that I see that. Press firmly for 30 seconds to adhere. Oh, look at that. That's pretty sweet. So it actually shows you like the door down here. So they actually have these strips in here that you can use. I don't know how comfortable I'd be with these. I don't know your thoughts with these with the 3M. Maybe it'd be just fine. I mean, this is super light. There's like nothing else to it. So you would take this and stick this right above the door. It shows the door directly below you there. Look at that. Hold it for 30 seconds. And then you just take the device, which you can see here. And this is my understanding. This actually takes D batteries in order to actually keep this up and running. Yeah, you can actually see right inside here. I'll get a little closer. This whole area is for the D battery. So you just put one D battery in, a second D battery in. Actually has Constellation, which is actually the network that this is on in there. Has some information. And then you end up taking this and just sticking it. It just magnetizes, which is actually really nice. Oh, going the wrong way. There we go. Bam. And that's it. That's actually pretty cool. So the nice thing is if you had to go and actually add new batteries to this, it's literally just reaching up and pulling this device and it just pops. Wow, that's a really strong magnet. It just pops right off and goes right back on. That's pretty slick. But other than that, that's it. That's all there is to it. So let's go ahead and learn more about the Dor project. All right, so let's go ahead and learn a little bit more about the Dor Depin project. So right now, if by the end of this is something you're interested in, I'll leave links to Helium Deploy directly down below. They have sent this product to me for today's review. You can check it out. They have boatloads of different Depin projects. Highly recommend you go over to their website and check it out over at heliumdeploy.com. The Dor Lite product you can find right over on their website with all the details. And by the time you guys are watching this, it'll actually be available for purchase if it's something that you're interested in. But let's talk more about the project. So Dor can be found over at getdor.com. I'll link all these resources directly down below. And what makes this Depin project very different from other ones that I've featured on the channel is that two big things. First off, it's already on mainnet. A lot of the Depin projects that I feature on my channel are in testnet because I love getting into projects before they launch. Unfortunately, I'm discovering Dor way later. So it's in mainnet. That's one thing. The second thing is that Dor already has a massive amount of Web 2 customers, traditional retail large customers that are utilizing the Dor platform because Dor serves a main purpose of being a digital traffic monitor. And so it's monitoring traffic for these retail spaces traditionally and providing them that data. The byproduct that we're interested in as crypto miners is the actual crypto, the Dor token that's actually used. And they've done a really cool thing that I think you, as a home miner or soon to be operator, will be very interested in. So over on their website, we can scroll down. We can see some of the customers. They already have larger customers out there that they do go ahead and partner with. And it's very simple and easy. You put this directly above a door and it does the job. Simple and easy. Now, some massive retail companies may already have these types of sensors in place, and they're already monitoring and looking at these analytics and data, because at the end of the day, in 2025, data is king. It's like the new oil. Everyone wants more and more data. So scrolling down here, quick little snapshot of what that looks like once it's mounted. But this is what I want to show you guys. So the nice thing is Dor has done all of the legwork. They're not just a crypto project. They are 100% like they sell the Dor traffic data. And that's what's important to them, part one. So with that being said, they've developed an entire dashboard. So think of it this way. How is that valuable to you? Well, it's not. It's valuable to the retail space, the gym, the restaurant, the coffee shop, the car dealership that you end up partnering with. So yes, you have to do some work, you bunch of introverts, where let's say that you partner up with a car dealership, okay? And you say, hey, I'm going to put this in your service department directly above the door, and I'm going to give you a link that you can monitor this and make business decisions off of. They don't have to get involved with you after that. You literally sell that to them. And you could even say, hey, I'm going to give this to you entirely free for 1 month to test it out. I mean, how much work is it for you to walk in there, stick it in place? I'll be back in a month. Use this link to monitor the data. You come back in a month. You take a look at it with them. Is this valuable to you? Oh, it is? Okay, great. I have a package deal to sell this to you for 99 cents a day. Now, that's the avenue I want to go, because I feel like any company can value that type of data for 99 cents a day. And it's cheap enough that it's not going to be a big decision maker. They're spending $30 a month. So you're earning, let's say $30 a month by going ahead and using this with this, let's say, car dealership, right? $30 a month easy is where you start out with. But what about the crypto side of it? How much crypto does this end up earning on top of that? Because guess what? They're not interested in the crypto. They don't even know it's a crypto project. You don't even have to tell them it's a crypto project. At the end of the day, it's a door tracker. That's all you're doing. So let's get more and more into it. So jumping over, they do have a whole separate section on their website for crypto, not even for the Dor product, but for crypto entirely. And it does have more details over there on this if you're interested. Now, this product, they call it a data, was that Panor? I mean, that you're pretty much like, you're upselling data collection pretty much at the end of the day. And they have a great graphic here that shows you peel and stick. If data walks, which like people walking under this sensor, money talks is the way it says. So you earn crypto from that. And so they did originally with this project have an NFT. And I got word today that they're eliminating the NFT entirely, which I love it. I'll be honest, I hate projects that involve NFTs, because that NFT isn't worth anything if that project ever goes under down the road. So I'm thrilled to see that that is entirely disappearing. But let's talk more and more about this, because I know where you go is like, how much can you earn in their token? We're already talking about $30 a day in just my quick little upsell scenario, but this will actually earn 50 Dor token a day. And we'll talk about that token in a minute, and we'll also talk about how much that is worth. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to leave links directly down below. The project is on the Constellation Network, which I don't like. I'm a bigger fan of a lot of these Depin projects being on Solana, because when I want to go ahead and take rewards, I can quickly just flip it in the wallet over to Solana and off I go. But something for you to look into. In addition to that, the full tokenomics are listed. I'll link them directly down below if you're interested. For some of you guys, you don't want to be bored with it. I totally get it. Others of you guys are big nerds into tokenomics, so I will link that down below because I want to make sure that you guys have that available. Well, let's talk about the Dor token. So the Dor token right now is worth 0.009592. So it's worth fractions of a penny currently as of today, the beginning of August of 2025. And what the nice thing is when you're getting into a project earlier. So if it moves even one decimal place, that could be significant money. I did the same thing with Helium Mobile. Got in when it was fractions of a penny. It moved to decimal place, and I sold out 6 figures worth and put that into my first ASIC miners that I bought. So that being said, if we come down here and take a look, one Dor token is worth that fractions of a penny. When we look at 50, you're roughly, let's round up a little bit to make it easier for math. It's 50 cents a day. So we talked about charging the car dealership 30 cents a month. Okay. Or I'm sorry, $30 a month, 99 cents a day. Okay. Now we add on $15. So now you're making $45 a month in the Dor. You got the Dor crypto and also in charging them 99 cents a day. That's pretty dang good for a product that you don't have to do anything with other than replace the batteries once in a blue moon. I mean, it uses 2D batteries, which are pretty significant and pretty hefty. So this is absolutely, I would say, a pretty decent play. If we take a look over the last month, it's kind of had this upswing, whoa, way down, and now it's on the way back up. In the last 7 days, I'm recording this on the 10th of August, it's definitely on that up and up swing. So I would definitely recommend that you guys take a closer look at Dor. I'm going to leave a link to this directly down below. By the time you guys are watching this, Helium Deploy is actually packaged together the Dor and another project called Carrier One, and you get a $100 discount if you kind of package them together, and they actually work hand in hand. So Carrier One is a hotspot that might be a little bit harder to upsell, but the nice thing is this isn't a hotspot that you can put in a location, in a retail space or that car dealership that we're talking about in order to provide that guest internet or guest wireless to customers coming and going. And then you also have that Dor product as well. So I'm going to list both of these directly down below. Please go over and check them out. Do your own research, but I'm really interested in getting my Dor Lite sensor installed, or I guess it's the DTM, the Dor traffic monitor installed, and I'm eyeing up a local pizza shop to be my first customer as an operator with Dor. So in the early days of Hive mappers or demos, I heard of a lot of people, instead of trying to run them themselves, they became operators. And I'm finding this is becoming more and more of a trend in the Depin space, like something like Dor. Not just running it in your own personal cars like the demo and the Hive mapper, but partnering up with local companies to maximize profits. That's exactly how I see a project like Dor. What local companies can I partner up with, benefit them with traffic data, but also earn me crypto on the side?